we're in the month of May, and you know that May is known as Masturbation May.
Oh, is it?
Yes, and it's our most popular month
I
on
must say
Agents
that
of
many
Ishq.
men I know don't take a month off. So
Well,
I don't know what you're talking about.
they don't need to celebrate
What the
it,
hell are you to- April, May, क्या फर्क है भाई?
No, I think-
24 hours, we are good to go.
But one of the things on Agents of Ishq is, so we started observing Masturbation May very early on in our...
How do you know all this, Paramita?
This is the kind of thing I waste my time learning all the time. But it's been fun. What can I say? It was a great...
There's
I
a
didn't know
concept
it.
called Masturbation May.
Yes, so it's the month in which you talk about
And this
it.
comes from the West?
I guess so.
Yeah.
But we started doing this thing in around 2016, I think. It was a masturbation shairi contest.
Yeah, so there's a
and
lot
there
of
are
that
some
is there.
poems
Yeah,
in
yeah,
there, yeah. And when we started, we were like, "Arey, nobody's going to respond to this, but let's try it." Because everything on Agents of Ishq, kind of like Sumit's piece, was a little bit time pass and a little bit funny, like bad poetry day, etc. So like the idea of having fun together as a sort of larger stand-in for the conversation about sex, that we don't get so bogged down in seriousness and politics. But in the first time, and we had asked, like, you know, at that time sex toy companies were new, 2016. So there was a man who had gotten in touch with me. His name was Ritinder Singh, and I don't know if his company still
It's
exists.
always a Ritinder.
I tell you.
In the sex toy industry, there's always one Ritinder.
Now, you know, sex toys were not allowed to advertise, etc. At that time, it was not such a business as it has become now. Then they found Agents of Ishq. They thought कि शायद यहाँ पर हम लोग कुछ कर सकते हैं, brand placement. So they wrote to us, and I remember that my first meeting with Ritinder Singh was like on Skype. And it was like a regular person living in a regular house, and he kept saying, "नहीं मैम, बात ये ना मैम कि हम इसके बारे में अच्छा कुछ अगर बना सकते हैं वीडियो." And I was thinking, this is unreal. I'm having this conversation with a person who makes and sells sex toys. He's just a regular guy, and he's something so
But if
sweet.
you remove that, he's just a guy in a corporation who's trying to push,
Yeah,
promote
like
his
he
product.
started, and then finally we were like, okay, we are doing this masturbation shairi contest. Do you think you can give
You
us
said
some vibrators as
You were the
prizes?
first to use words like masturbation. How did Ritinder react?
Ritinder was very normal. Hanji ma'am, he kept saying. So I was like, and I remember that he gave us some coupons as surprise to buy a sex toy.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And I remember that I was standing in a convent in Rangoon. I had gone there for some work and finalizing it on the phone. So I thought, you know, this is one of the absurd things.
What were you doing in a convent in Rangoon?
That's another story, got nothing to do with Ishq.
I mean, if you're promoting sex in a convent in Rangoon, which has enough,
I was like,
civil war going on at any given time.
I was like, कोई सुन ना ले.
Yeah. And Paramita comes and says, let's talk sex. You idiot. I haven't seen my mother in 20 years. She's in jail.
But anyway, so I mean, so many people responded. This masturbation charity contest is actually pretty popular.
Yeah.
And people are
And
writing...
some good poems, may I say?
Yeah. Yes,
I
the
like my
poems are
poetry. I
great.
like my literature.
Yeah.
And as in, you know, the subject is not just ha-ha subject. They've written intelligent sort of poems and there's small couplets and all. It's not like very long ones either.
Yeah, because it's shairi, na? It has to
Shairi,
be
yeah.
2 lines.
Please buy the book. Before you buy the book, we must do at least one of these
Cyrus
shairis.
will read masturbation shairi. I will
Okay.
choose it for him.
Choose it. What page? Like I don't know about masturbation. Sorry. मैंने PhD किया subject में.
You could read Farmati Hoon on page 47.
On page 40. Guys, take out your book. I hope you bought the book by now. If started the show, we told you to buy the book, you should have bought the book by now. 1 hour into the show. Acha, it's in English by Meher Bhagat, which is a pseudonym. Farmati Hoon. Afternoons grow dark with hidden thoughts of you. And I'm singing, thinking naked thoughts of you. I feel myself shimmer, grow sticker with thoughts of you. Then I scatter like stars, crying out, thoughts of you, of you, of you, of you. What did you think?
I thought it was pretty good.
Poor man's Amitabh Bachchan.
Not bad, not bad. I can do one, which I remember.
You
It's
do,
not
you
in
do.
the book.
No,
yeah,
you do.
yeah.
Yeah.
I've forgotten the name of the poem, but it's like, इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं, उंगलियां हैं 10, fantasies हजारों हैं.
Wow. That's a mathematical point there. I mean, if you have the time and the sexual bandwidth, yes.
But there's lots of great poems on Agents of Ishq about
And
masturbation.
sometimes in nice Hindi, it doesn't even sound vulgar.